Hi everyone, this is Lawrence Computer Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you about data processing. Now, we can go kick off now. So, under this topic, we are going to be looking at two things: the meaning of data processing and stages in data processing cycle. Now, let's start up. What is data processing? Data processing is a conversion of data into information. The process of accomplishing data processing is called data processing cycle. So the data processing cycle comprises of 6 stages. The first stage of data processing cycle is the data gathering stage. Here, your data is being collected from various sources, and in collecting this data, you can do this by asking of questions, comparing, differentiating, studying various information. After this stage of collecting of data from various sources, we move to the second stage, which is the data collation stage. At this stage, the collected data is being arranged systematically on a hard surface, for example on a paper. After you have done this, then you move to the next stage called the input stage. At this stage, you are expected to transfer the data on the paper or any media into the computer system. You will make use of some input device to do this. Examples of some input device you use for doing this is the keyboard, mouse, joystick, the scanner, your light pen, touchpad, and so on and so forth. Then after you have imputed the data into the computer, we move to the next stage called the processing stage. At this stage, the data that you have entered into the computer system is being converted into information, and this give birth to the next stage called the output stage. At this stage, the processed data that has been converted into information is being presented either in a hard copy or soft copy form. So hard copy output can be in form of text, books, letters, memos, handbills, billboard adverts, newspapers, magazines, and so on. While soft copy outputs can be presented through monitors, projector outputs, speaker outputs, and headphone outputs, like playing music or playing a sound. Then we move to the next stage called the storage stage. This is the last stage of the data processing cycle. At this stage, the processed data is being stored either for a long or a short time on a storage media like a CD, DVD, flash drive, hard disk, and so on. So in this lesson, we learned that data processing is the transformation of data into information. We learned that the stages in data processing cycle are data gathering, data collation, input stage, processing stage, output stage, and